Let's have a look at the Headroom meter function in ArmoníaPlus. We can access it by clicking on Tune and then Headroom. The Headroom meter is not an input or an output meter, but it's exactly what its name says, a meter for monitoring the headroom of our channels, and is related to the limiters that have been applied to those channels. In other words, the Headroom function will tell us how much headroom we still have available for a specific loudspeaker. Let's run a small test by playing some music through our system. The Headroom meters will start moving and we can see that all indicators are blue. This obviously means that the audio signal is passing, but it also tells us how far we are from the limiter threshold for that speaker. Each one of these blue LED indicators represents steps of 6 dB below the limiter threshold. Now let's slightly increase the gain of our input signal. Here in the left and right arrays, we suddenly see that the top blue LED indicators have been reached and that we're also touching the first yellow LED. This means that the limiter threshold has been reached. The first yellow LED indicates a gain reduction of 0 to 6 dB due to limiting. Reaching the second yellow LED indicates that our speakers are experiencing a gain reduction of 6 to 12 dB, and the red LED indicates a gain reduction of more than 12 dB. The Headroom meter function is a really useful tool and is an entirely new feature of ArmoníaPlus.